Pisces, Sherry Simpson here with your August 2023 forecast video. I am using the Gilded Tarot deck. I've also pulled one card from a Mudra deck and one from a numerology deck. So let's take a look what's going on for you, Pisces, for the month of August in 2023. So the first card that came through was the Hanging Man, but it did come through in reverse. So in the upright position, the Hanging Man often means that it's time to stop, reassess, plan, organize, and not really make moves. With this card in the reverse position, it makes me think that you're done, and maybe in July or even in June, you had a time period where you were just stable, you were just resting, you were planning, maybe doing other things to prepare. And now I feel like within the month of August, that time of organization and planning and being stopped is going to end. So I feel like there'll be forward movement for you in the month of August. So the next card we have is the Five of Swords. Fives are often about change and transformation. They can also be about a need for freedom or a desire for freedom. Here we see this man who looks like he's been in battle. We do see somebody in the background there that looks like they've lost the battle, and it looks like you've won. First, I want to say, choose your battles wisely. Not everything has to be a competition. Not everything has to be win or lose. And I feel like there's some wisdom for you about conflict, about change and transformation in the month of August, where I feel like you might be doing relationships or conflict differently than how you've been doing it in the past. So just allow yourself to grow in some way and alter how you participate in conflict within relationships. All right, so the next one we have is the Two of Cups. This often means love or romance, happiness between you and one other person. So it's very participatory, where the two of you are interacting back and forth and enjoying each other's company, and there's love and happiness. This is probably a sexual or partnership type of relationship, but it might not be. This is a general reading, and so we know that relationships happen in all different ways. So for most of you, this is going to be about bettering a partnership of some type and really just enjoying that relationship. So next we have the Four of Cups, and it did come through in the reverse position. So with the Four of Cups in the upright, we see this person who looks bored out of their brain. We see three cups in the foreground, and we see this hand that is actually dumping a cup into this person. And it's like they don't care, or they don't notice, or they're kind of bored. So again, similar to the Hangman situation, I feel like in the past you might have had this energy where you were just like done, you were bored, maybe you were demotivated. And I feel like that time is coming to an end. You're going to find your motivation. You're going to find your desire. You're going to find what lights you up, and you're going to start taking action on that. All right, so this is nice. Your numerology card is New Beginnings for the month of August. I do feel like it will be about week 2, 2.5, week 3 before you get this forward movement and momentum happening. And the Mudra card we have for you is Union. So let's take a look. This assists with intimacy, connection, and balance. Definitely related to that Two of Cups card. The benefits: and enhances the function of the kidneys, bladder, and reproductive systems, balances masculine and feminine energies, cultivates a sense of safety and intimacy. And of course, the element is water. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross the wrists with hands back to back like that. And then you're going to hook the little fingers with the tips pointing upward. So you did back to back and tried to hook your little fingers. There we go. And then with each hand, touch the pads of the thumbs to the middle and index fingers. So we see the pads of the thumbs and the index fingers here. And then we're going to extend the ring finger upward at a slight angle, relax the shoulders, and bring them down away from your ears. So the focus here is I allow a greater bond and connection with all to emerge. I allow a greater bond and connection with all to emerge. Awesome. I love this for you, Pisces. I feel like, again, it's going to take maybe a week and a half, or 2 weeks for you to really get into the momentum and where things are going to be moving more forward for you. So enjoy your month. Namaste.